Welcome back, everybody. Real Canadian Fishing here, and I'm Corey. And here we are, back in the workshop. And you know what that means? It's unboxing time. And boy, do I have a treat for you today from an amazing company. I have purchased an amazing reel. Guys, the Raven Matrix XL fully ported centerpin reel. Now, for those of you who haven't heard of Raven, Raven is a Canadian company that makes everything from rods to reels, to terminal tackle, floats, plastic baits, everything you need to stream fish. Now, if you watch my videos, you'll already know that I do have another Matrix reel, and I do pretty much exclusively use Raven terminal tackle, swivels, hooks, shots. Heck, I even use their plastics. There's a reason for that. It's affordable. They're conveniently sold at a lot of stores, and it's quality products for a affordable price. Their hooks are second to none, sharp. Never had a problem with them snapping or bending or going straight on me. Their shots are great. Their swivels, I've never had one snap before or anything. Just quality, quality, quality. And you know what? Their reels and their rods are the same. The reel that I've had for 3 years. It's a Matrix 4 and 3/8 reel. I haven't even changed the bearings yet on it. They still free spin beautifully. You know what? As long as you maintain your stuff and you clean it nicely, you'll have no problems. Alright guys, let's get to it and I'll show you this reel. Alright guys, here it is, the box for the Raven Matrix XL fully ported reel. Now as you can see, it's a plain box. There's no advertising on it. Just simple, 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 nothing fancy. And I think it's that way because Raven wants to give you your bang for your buck. They don't want to waste your money on fancy packaging and fancy imagery on your box. They don't need that because they make quality stuff. So if you know the name Raven, you know you're getting good stuff. Anyhow, on the front here we have a simple label that's just telling you the technical specifications of your reel. The diameter of this reel is 5 1/8 inch. It's got twin shielded ball bearings. It's got an integral low profile reel foot. It's got a high strength stainless steel spindle. It's got a coin slot adjustable tension screw. It has a low profile on-off ratchet. It's a fully ported back plate, and it weighs 8.1 ounces, so just about a half a pound. It has a line capacity of 275 yards of 8-pound line plus backing. So you know what? A little less backing. You can put a little more line, or you can put a little thicker line, however you like it. This one here is a polished titanium, and it's engineered in Canada and made in Korea. And you know what? Korea's got lots of good stuff. They got Hyundai. Anyhow, this reel comes in 3 colors, I believe. It's comes in a black, polished titanium, and a polished bronze, I believe. In the box, you're going to find that it has a technical specification sheet, a breakdown, a parts breakdown sheet, and a warranty. And it's going to have your reel. Now, guys, I'm telling you, this is a beautiful reel. Fully ported on the front. Fully ported on the inside of the spool. Fully ported on the back side of the spool. Fully ported on the back plate. Ratchet on, ratchet off. Simple switch here. Works great. Low profile foot here. Coin slot in the front for adjusting the tension on the spool. Spins freely. It's awesome. I have it wound up with some bright orange backing and 10-pound mono on it. Raven also has an amazing customer service and warranty. They have a 1-year manufacturer warranty on this reel. I had to talk to them a couple of times, just asking some questions, and they get back to you right away. And they're amazing, amazing people. This reel here is precision crafted. It's got very, 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 very tight gap between the spool and the back plate, so your line won't slip in there. The tolerances from the spool and the spindle are very, 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 very close also. This way giving you no sloppiness. And when you spin it, you don't hear a sound, and it spins freely. I cannot wait to use this reel. And no, guys, I am not sponsored by Raven, but I truly love their items. They are quality. So if you haven't tried out a Raven product, check them out. www.raventackle.com. You will not be disappointed. They do make awesome stuff. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for my next video where I use this reel and my new 15-foot Streamside Vortex rod, and we'll see what damage I can cause on the stream. Alright guys, I'll see you next time, and have a good one.